Most instructors don't know all of the different ways that you can customize your dashboard in Canvas to take it from this to something like this. I'm going to cover all of the things, but then I'm also going to show you this amazing free tool that both you and your students can use to totally customize anything in the Canvas dashboard. Let's dive in. By default, each of the class cards have this color overlay, this tint on each of them, but it's super easy to remove. I'm going to go up to the three dots, click, and then go down to color overlay and just uncheck that. So much better. We can also move our cards around by just clicking, holding, and dragging to get them to a different position. Or we can use the three dots to change the position. If I click the three dots and then go over to move, I could move them around, but clicking and dragging is so much easier. But this is also a way to remove it from your dashboard. If I unfavorite that using that star, I can click submit and it's no longer on my dashboard. Now this is a super common question that I get from my students. They'll say, I'm enrolled, but I can't see your course. It's probably been unfavorited. Is that a word? To select the courses that you want on your dashboard, you can go to courses and then all courses, and you'll notice that the ones that are on my dashboard have a star, the ones that aren't don't. So I'm going to go down to, I wanted that one with the teacher, and then I'm going to just click that star so it now shows up on my dashboard. Now you may have also noticed that I bypassed the color tab. Let's click those three dots again, and under the color tab, I actually have more options than just the color. I can change the color of the font and the background color of that card. So let's say that I wanted to change this to purple, but I also have the option to give my course a nickname. So instead of calling this Math 100 Practice, I can call this Practice Course, and then say we meet at 10 a.m. So I can give that some more information. Let's hit apply there. Next, we want to give that practice course a really nice course image. You can use any image that you want, but I've got two really nice free tools for you. The first one is pexels.com, and it has free photos and videos. Let's say that you're teaching a science class and you wanted a photo of a science lab. Any of these would work great. I can go ahead and choose this one and then download. The other great option is Canva, and Canva is free for most teachers with all of the bells and whistles. Let me get into my Canva. Let's click on create a design, and what we want to do is to create a course card. So I'm just going to ask Canva for a course card, and one pops up there. Let's go ahead and choose that. And let's say that we're also doing this for a science lab. Now there are so many choices and so many design elements that you can work with. I'm going to keep it super simple though. We're going to go to elements and let's search for science lab and then enter. I really want to look for a photo, and I like this one here with the beakers. Of course, you could go through all of those to as many customizing thingies as you want. Let's go ahead and make this large so it fills our space. Let's attempt to download this. Download, PNG is fine, or JPEG. I'm going to hit download. But then I get this failed message, and it doesn't like to download just a single image. Here's my super easy workaround. We're going to go to elements. Let's get rid of that science lab, and let's just choose any shape here. And I'm just going to send this shape to the back. To do that, you can either click the three dots or you can right click. And then with layer, I want to send it to back. Okay, now let's download it. I'm going to click the share button and then download. PNG is fine, and then download. And now it's downloading for us. So back in Canvas, I'm going to open that class and then scroll all the way down to settings. And one of the very first options, the very first option is to choose an image. I just click on that. I'm going to click on upload image, and I want that last one that I uploaded and then open. Once I've got that, I can hit update course details. Now for that free customizing tool for you and your students. It's called Better Canvas, and you can get it in the Chrome Web Store. It's also available as a Firefox add-in. It's got tons of great reviews. I'm not sponsored by them, but it seems like a really solid product. To use it, let me go over here to my Canvas dashboard. I'm going to click on my little puzzle piece to access my extensions and then open up Better Canvas. There are a lot of things that I can change, but I should first double check that I've got the right Canvas URL. To make sure you've got the right one, you would just select it here. So Control Copy, and then down at your Better Canvas page, I'm just going to do a Control V to put that in there. Okay, and now from here, I can change themes, I can change card colors, I can change so many things. I'm gonna show you how to change the theme, but there's so many different things that you can do. I'm gonna search by new, and then let's put in, gosh, I really like this Snoopy one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the fall one in, and I probably need to refresh my Canvas dashboard, and there I've got everything in a brand new theme. Since this is a browser extension, only the person using the browser will see this, but it's a really, really fun way to make changes for you and your students. Subscribe to learn more. I'd love to know how you customize your class as well. Let me know down in the comments.